How to hide your block list on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your block list on Instagram. Now, if you open the app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen, and then tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen and head over to settings and privacy. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option blocked or blocked accounts. Now if you open this here, you can see I have no blocked accounts, but you'll find your blocked accounts here. Now the thing is, you don't need to hide your block list on Instagram. It gets hidden automatically and it's only for your eyes to see, so no one else is able to see your block list, and you won't be able to share your block list or make it public in any way. So unless they have your account logged in or you share your phone that you have your account to someone else, that's the only possible way that others will be able to look at your block list, or else it's hidden from everyone and no one will be able to see. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.